Welcome back, everybody. It's good to see you. It's been a while. Good old, I think, almost a week and a half now. But we ain't stopping there. We ain't stopping now either. We're just getting started. Well, today we're getting all this stuff up that you can see already. It's really coming together now. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. It was a hot one. However, it was a good one. We're getting a lot more motivated, getting a lot more things done, and I hope you guys enjoy and leave a thumbs up. But anyways, we're gonna get started and we're gonna get this show on the road. You ready? I'm ready. You ready? I'm ready. You ready? I'm ready. Voila! There goes the back windows. Just like that, we're done. We are going to be doing furring strips. So we're pretty much going to be framing the bus. It's really starting to come together. We also have to cut the roof vent right here. So we're going to cut a square right here. That actually might be next episode. I'm not sure, but stay tuned for that because it's definitely coming. But this wall looks really nice. We actually ran out of rivets. So this middle one doesn't have a rivet, so it's just pressure holding it in, but it ain't going nowhere. It looks really good. They're all really tight. It's looking good. We're getting there. One step at a time, huh? Oh. We got a hurt dog now. Now, we're gonna do the furring strip measurements. So the boards that everything's gonna screw into. I'm just currently writing down all the measurements, and then I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna go and cut them, make it so it looks really nice and all uniform. And so that's what I'm working on right now, is just measuring all these up. And I got this wall, that wall, and this wall. And then also the ceiling, so there's a lot to do. So just gonna be measuring away and hopefully cutting here in a little bit. So stay tuned and enjoy the fun. The fun that never ends, it seems. I went ahead and I cut all these furring strips out since it's pretty boring. I'll show you one of these last two or so. These are all the window pillars. So I'm just going around labeling each one. So that's the back wall, that is a passenger wall. These are all in between the windows, and then we have the driver wall. So just gonna keep cutting away, and it's been pretty straightforward. I got all of these done, and we're just gonna keep on trucking. So hope you're enjoying. I know I am. It's very hot. I got them all stacked up, ready to go. This is what we're working with. So this point and over is all used, but this is all to be used. So the bed frame and everything like that. These furring strips are, we have a lot still left. These are all just the main ones, so I'm gonna measure off of that and then probably do it while we're in the bus. So that's a lot more streamlined, it's a little easier. But I got most of the main measurements measured. So now we'll install these, and after that, then we can start filling in all the other furring strips here and there. And then pretty much after that, we can start getting the bed frame, the solar and everything like that, and we'll start finishing up some of the stuff. We're going to be installing those probably this episode, and after that we can really it's on to the next step. So stay tuned in this episode. There's more to come, and hope you're enjoying so far. It's a hot one. Another day, another bus build. This is my thing right now because that thing's broken. So I'm gonna cut all this insulation back here and all these gaps, these smaller gaps. After that, then I'll probably start screwing in all these furring strips. It might be an ASMR, not sure yet. Would you guys be interested in an ASMR? That's another thing I was curious about. I know that they are popular and I could be annoying. So there's that, and maybe you guys might just rather have some episodes here and there where I don't talk as much or we don't explain anything. because at this point it really is, it's not really a build tutorial. It's more of a join along and watch things get done. The fun, sweat, tears, bad words, all the stuff you can't really show on YouTube, but it's all part of this build. So maybe we'll throw an ASMR in there and we'll see how you guys like it. And we'll go from there, and we're gonna get this insulation cut, get some furring strips up, and get this show on the road. We're excited. We're excited. So there's some that you can see that I've got cut out. Just going by size. Just cut them out, shove them in. I got a big piece for that. All we have left for this are these 3 spaces. And then I'm gonna get to the furring strips and start drilling it, and you guys will see the process for that. Enjoy the show. Alrighty, so this is driver wall, passenger wall, and then I got the back wall also, BW. Then I have the pillars, those are window pillars, WP. And then we have this insulation right here. This is actually a duct insulation for sticky on one side. And we're gonna stick that on these fenders for an added insulation layer, and also for to help with sound as well. So I'm just going to be drilling with an 1/8 inch drill bit, and then most likely putting in one of these or 1 inch. I'm going to play around with them, see which one works best. It's probably going to be the 1 inch, just because these are about, even though they're 1 by 2s, they're realistically like 1 3/4 by 3/4. So. And then we're going to use this guy here for any trimming that we need to do. So let's get started. I'll put it on time lapse, and hopefully it's going to look a lot better, but we're going to find out, won't we? These are furring strips, so it's pretty much, they're not really necessary. However, they give you a lot of extra grab, a lot of extra give whenever, especially you're on the road with so much vibration. It's just, that little extra security goes a long ways. That's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna do the long ones first, and then I'm going to do these window pillars. I actually have to route these down. So, as you can see there, most people would leave these. I am not going to. I will probably most likely route them down on these sides. So, from there to that point, and then those will lay flush and level with everything else. So that's why those are kind of floating. They're kind of set up so we can see where those are going. Woo! Look at that. That's what it's gonna look like. I got this one in. I'm gonna go back and put all these in now. Hopefully I can get all of this framing done. And then these middle ones I'm gonna have to router. Hoping I can get to that at least. Let's get this thing done. Woo! Doesn't that look nice? Back to work we go. I'm gonna pour out all my soda. Look at this. Ugh, it's hot. Like a sauna. I could be annoying. Well, cheers. Let's get this thing all done. Woo.
Phenomenally strapping the system. The phenomenally strapping
is a sauna up in here, but I'm not complaining. The only reason I'm not complaining is because we're getting stuff done. So, I got all of that done, all of the bottom done. I just have to cut and route the middle. And now I'm on to this side. I'll just time lapse this whole side, make it fun for you guys at least. And yeah, we're moving along. We're moving along, and man, I'm tired. The thing is, actually, every time you do something, it's a little more motivating. Where if you don't do anything, then it's gonna be not very motivating, because it gets to that point where you start looking at it and there's 1,000 things on the list, but you just gotta keep going. It's that simple as to just keep going, keep putting stuff down. Don't stop. If anything, do something. If there's nothing to do, find something to do. So, you guys enjoy this. I'll move the camera around and hopefully get you guys some good angles. So, I'll let you guys enjoy, let you guys watch me die. Focus. Great. I've gone through 3 already. So, on to the next. My first broken bolt. But it ain't going nowhere. Probably hang off of it. I think it's bent in there. But that one looks good. Got that. Got the bottom. I'm gonna run the plumbing up here. So I'm not gonna put one right there. I'm gonna run the plumbing underneath. It's gonna come out probably right around here, up into the sink, right there. And then the only thing that's over here will be propane. So those will stay off. But sad face, look at it in there. It all was so nice until that one bolt ruined it all. Well, I'm gonna get this top section finished up, get this sidewall done, and I think I might wrap it up for the day. And enjoy the rest of the few minutes left, and we'll continue on. It's looking really nice, actually. So. It is cleanup time. Cleanup fun time. Just gonna clear it out as much as I can. And then just gonna vacuum. And I'll be slaving away. Voila, and just like that, we're all done for the day. I don't know how long that was for you guys, maybe 10 minutes, but that was all day for me. It was a fun day at least. Got a lot done. Got a lot done. Wasn't too bad actually. I've heard some people have nightmares with this section. I think I got pretty lucky actually. It seemed pretty straightforward. Our metal is not the hardest, not compared to what I've heard some of the people talk about. Just constantly breaking drill bits and everything. I did break 3 Phillip bits, so there was that. But other than that, it was super streamlined, very straightforward. I still have to route out these boards in the middle. So I'm gonna put a furring strip in there, but I'm gonna route out the middle part. So that will be all, that'll be all good to go. And yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it for this episode. So if you guys enjoyed, hit that like button. I really do appreciate it. If I did earn it, hit that subscribe button. We're gonna try to be uploading a lot more here pretty soon. Actually starting last couple uploads. I'm gonna try to keep it consistently. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully a video out about every 4 to 6 days. And yeah, hit that subscribe button, follow along. Leave a comment if you have any ideas or if you have any questions, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully it's not as hot, or maybe I'll go earlier. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Woo!